Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Meera Mishra. Friends, in previous lecture we discussed the topic of types of matrix. In this lecture we will discuss the topic algebra of mathematics. Algebra of matrix. What is it? Matrix algebra it means of making a calculation upon array of number of data, right? Means of making calculation upon array of numbers or data, right friend? So it basically it involves the operation of matrices such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, right, etc. Why use it, friends? It makes the mathematical expression and computation easier. So let us understand these operations. So first one operation is addition, and taking addition and subtraction both. So first we take the addition, operation addition oblique subtraction, addition and subtraction of matters. Friends, addition and subtraction, in this operation you can add two matrices of the same dimension, of the same order, by adding their corresponding entries. Similarly, for subtraction, you can subtract two matrices of the same dimension by subtracting their corresponding entries. So for this operation you consider two matrices and then add and take the operation addition or subtraction according to your choice. So here friends, if you are if we write the proper definition of the addition, definition of matrix addition or subtraction, so if A equal to Aij and B equal to Bij are two matrices of dimension, or you can say order m cross n. I am taking the both matrices of same order, then their sum or subtraction, their sum and subtraction is the m cross n matrix given by A plus minus B. If I have taken the plus operation, so we have take plus, and if take minus, so take the minus subtraction, minus sign. Aij plus minus Bij, result comes same order, right? For example, let us consider two mathematics. For example, let A equal to -1 2 0 1 and B equal to 1 3 -1 2. So you see friends, here this matrix order is 2 cross 2, and in this case matrix order is also a 2 cross 2. So if you want to add both matrix, so what the result come? So you add. So how do you add? So friends, each element of the first matrix is added to the element present in the second matrix. So you see, in the first position in this matrix is -1, and in the second position, first position is 1. So if you add -1 plus 1, so here you write -1 plus 1. Now in second position you write 2 plus 3. In this position you write 0 plus minus minus, so -1, and 1 plus 2. So value comes, this value comes 0, this value comes 5, this is -1, and this value comes 3. And this matrix is order, same order, 2 cross 2. So this is the addition, example of addition. Similarly, if I take another one example and subtract, suppose I have take another one example, let A equal to 2 1 0 4 0 minus 1, and B equal to 0 1 2, and here -1 3 1. Now you see friends, in this case this matrix order is 2 rows and 3 columns, and in this matrix order is same, 2 cross 3. Now if you want to add A plus B, so this value comes 2 plus 0, it means 2, 1 plus 1 2, 0 plus 2 2, 4 minus 1 it means 3, 0 plus 3 3, minus 1 and 1 it means 0. So this value comes A plus B. Now similarly, if you want to find subtraction, A minus B, now 2 minus 0, this value comes 2, 1 minus 1 0 0, 0 minus 2 it means -2, 4 minus 1, 4 minus of -1 it means 5, 0 minus 3 -3, minus 1 minus of 1 minus of 2. So this value comes, and both matrices have same order of the given matrix. So you understand how to compute the, how to apply the addition and subtraction of two matrices, operation of two matrices. So you just each element of the first matrix add and subtract to the element present in the same positions to the present in the second matrices, right friend? So this is the first operation, addition and subtraction, matrix addition and subtraction, matrix addition and subtraction. Now next move on, next operation, which is multiplication. Friends, in matrix multiplication are two types. First one is scalar multiplication, and second one is whenever two matrices are multiplied, it means product of two matrix multiplication. So first one is scalar multiplication and second one is product of two matrices. So friends, first I have take the first one operation is scalar multiplication. scalar multiplication of matrix. So friends, in this case to multiply a scalar, because this one write the scalar multiplication, to multiply a scalar matrix times a matrix, simply multiply each element of the matrix by the scalar quantity, right friend? So if write the proper definition, if A equal to Aij is M cross N matrix, M cross N matrix, and K is scalar, then the scalar matrix, then the scalar multiple of A by K is the M cross N matrix given by Ka equal to Kaij, right? Let's take an example. Let if A is 4 3 2 minus 1 2 3. Suppose then given matrix is this one. Now you find the value, find 3A. Here 3 is a scalar, right? Here 3 is a scalar. So you multiply this scalar quantity each element of the matrix, right? So here if you want to find 3A, so value comes 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, minus 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. This value comes. Order of this matrix is 2 cross 3, and this matrix is ordered also the 2 cross 3. So if any for scalar matrix is it's very simple matrix, because in this case you just take a scalar which is a number multiplied to each element of the matrix, right? So this is a scalar matrix. Now next move on. Next operation is matrix multiplication, which is most important. Matrix multiplication. Now write down the proper definition. If A equal to Aij is an M cross N matrix and B equal to Bij N cross P. Here you see Bij is an N cross P, then the product of AB is an dimension or order of M cross P matrix is given by AB equal to Cij, where Cij equal to summation k equal to 1 to P Aik Bkj. Or if you want to write the open the expression, so this value comes Cij equal to ai1 b1j plus ai2 b2j and up to so on aip bpj. So what do you mean by this, friends? Basically, matrix multiplication indicates a row by column multiplied, where the entries in the ith row and jth column of the product AB is obtained by multiplying the entries in the ith row of a first matrix, suppose an A, of by the corresponding entries in the jth column of matrix B. Then after that, adding the result, then you find the matrix multiplication of given two matrix. So let us take an example, then you understand. Now let us consider two matrix. Suppose then matrix are given, and this one is second one is matrices. So first you find the order, you see the order of the matrix, both matrices. So here 2 row 2 columns, so order is 2 cross 2, and in this matrix order is 2 cross 3 because 2 row and 3 columns, right friend? Now friends, matrix multiplication possible when the number of columns of the first matrix, supposing you have to take the first matrix is A, if the number of column of the first matrix must equal to number of rows of the second matrix. Here you see number of column of the first matrix and number of the rows of the second matrix. If you find the AB, so in this case A is your first matrix and B is your second matrix, right? So you find AB. If you want to find AB is possible when the number of column of first matrix is equal to number of rows of this second matrix, must be equal. Then you find AB. Then AB is defined. Otherwise, if this condition is not hold, then the matrix multiplication is not possible. It's undefined. So here, if you want to find AB, so first you see this condition. So in this case, here number of column of first matrix is 2, and here number of rows of the second matrix is 2 is equal to, so matrix multiplication is possible. So we find the AB. Now how to find AB? Friends, so step 1 is make sure the number of elements in the first matrix are equal to the number of the column in the first matrix are equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Then multiply the first row in the first matrix by the first column in the second matrix, right? First row multiplied by the first column of the second matrix. So if you multiply, see each element multiplied by each element of the second matrix. So here if you multiply and then add, so 2 cross 1, 2 cross 1 plus 1 cross 0. So this value comes. Now again first row of the first matrix multiplied by second row, second column of the second matrix. So what value comes? 2 cross 2 plus 1 cross 1. Similarly 2 cross 0 and plus 1 cross 2. Now again repeat the process and you find the AB first row, right? Now similarly take the second row and multiply it by first column of the second matrix. So here we find 1 cross 1 plus 4 cross 0, and now next element is 1 cross 2 plus 4 cross 1. Now next one is 1 cross 0 plus 4 cross 2. Now solve. So here 2 into 1 2 and 1 into 0 0. It means this value comes 2. 2 to the 4 and this is 1 cross 1 1. It means 5. Next one is, this one is 0 and this one is 1 cross 2. It means 2. 1 cross 1, 4 cross 0. This is 1. This is 6 and this value comes 8. Now you see, now you have the order comes 2 cross 3. It means M cross P. 2 cross 3. This is your M and this is your P. That's why I am writing here M cross P, right? So this value comes. So this is the way how to find the multiplication, matrix multiplication. So now we write the step of matrices. Then take another another question and solve matrix multiplication. So write down the steps of matrix multiplication. So step 1, make sure the number of columns in the first matrix are equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Multiply the first row. Now second step. Multiply the first row in the first matrix by the first column in the second matrix. Right? Now next one, take the third step. Using the first row again repeat the process for all columns in the second matrix. Step 4. Move to the next row in the first matrix and repeat the process for multiplying the row by each column Do this for every row in the first matrix. Right? Do this every row in the first matrix. Right, friend? So this is the steps, all the process of how to multiply the matrix, multiplication of two matrices. So friends, now take another example. Let's A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and take another matrix B 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So first step, make sure the number of columns in the first matrix are equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. So here you see order of this matrix is 2 cross 3 and this matrix order is 3 cross 2. So here you see friends, if find AB, so your first matrix is your A and B is your second matrix. Suppose then if you find BA, so your first matrix is B and second matrix is A. So here we find AB, so take first matrix A. So here you see the number of column of the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix, right? If this condition hold, then you say AB is possible. Now find AB. Now you see friends, second step, multiply the first row in the first matrix by the first column in the second matrix. Take first row and multiply it by the first column of the second matrix. Now multiply and add. It means multiplying the entries in the first row of matrix A by the corresponding entries in the first column of B. then adding the result, right? So multiply 1 into 7 plus 2 into 9 plus 3 into 11. This is your first element of AB. Now find the second element to make the row of the AB. So 1 into 8 plus 2 into 10 plus 3 into 12. Similarly, step third, using the first row, again repeat the process and for all columns and in the second matrix, and find the second element of the AB. In this case, now you find the first row of the AB. Similarly, move on step 4, move to the next row. In this case, next row is 4, 5, 6 in the first matrix, and repeat the process of multiplying the row by each column of the second matrix, and do this for every row in the first matrix. Suppose in here is 2 rows, if here is all 3 rows and 4 rows, so you do this process for every matrix, right? Now solve it. 4 into 7 plus 5 into 9 plus 6 into 11. 4 into 8 plus 5 into 10 plus 6 into 12, right? Now solve. So if you multiply, this is 7, this is 9 to the 18, and this is 33. Here 8 and 20 and 36. 28, 45, and this is 66. This is 32 plus 50 plus 72, right? Now add all quantities. So this value come 7 plus 18 plus 33. This is 7 plus 3, 10, 10 or plus 18, 18, 8 or 3, 1, 4 and 58. This value comes 58. This value comes 36 and 20, it means 56, 56 and 8. This one is 64. This value comes 66 and 28 plus 45. This value comes 139. 139. Now this value comes 32 plus 50 and 72. And this is 122 and 122 and 32. It means 154. And order of the AB is, this is 2 cross 3 and this is 3 cross 2. So order is 2 cross 2. Comes 2 cross 2. Remaining rows and column makes the order. So here 2 cross 2. So AB result is this one and order is 2 cross 2. Now let's move on properties of matrices.